First, we will know what is partial payment. Basically, partial payment lets your customers pay a portion of the order up front and the rest later. It's perfect for expensive products or bookings where you want to secure commitment from the buyer. To set up partial payment on your website, go to Manage Apps option. Now install Partial Payment app. Here select Partial Payment Eligibility. Then choose Partial Payment Type option, how you want to split the payment fixed amount or percentage-wise. For example, we do it percentage-wise, that we will take 33% payment first. Now select Advance Payment Method option, how you will collect the advance payment. Here, pick an active payment gateway. Then click on Save Configuration button to apply changes. Now, let's preview it.